Ooh. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Sleek. This is 4C hair. Let me put my camera. I'm gonna be using edge wax, spritz, beeswax, scrunchies, brushes, and combs. The first thing I'm going to be doing is detangling my hair. My hair is air dried, not blow dried, so I'm going to be putting it in sections, and I'm going to be detangling each piece. After detangling the hair, I'm going to be using some edge wax and some beeswax. I'm going to be mixing it together, and I'm going to be taking a brush and smoothing everything out. You want to make sure you smooth out all the layers. All together, I use 4 layers. This is how the back looks. I'm going to be doing the same thing on the right and the left side of my head. As you can see, I'm applying the product to really small sections, and I'm brushing it back, adding it to the ponytail. This is how one side looks so far. Don't forget to add your holding spray to give it that extra hold. So now that I'm at the top, I want to make sure my hair is extra slick, extra sleek, and I'm going to be using very small pieces. Alright guys, I'm back and I let my hair sit for about an hour. So I'm going to take it out and show you guys the results. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Sleek. Okay. This 4C hair. This is 4C. Like, y'all see how that lay? Y'all see that? Y'all can keep it like this, nice and classy, you know, going to church or going to work. Y'all can keep it like this, nice and cute, nice and natural. But if you guys want some extensions to it, I got the Equal from Freetress. This is how the hair looks. In order to put this in my hair, I'm going to have to braid. I'm going to have to braid the back into tiny sections. It through. The hair color that I got was a 4. They ran out of 1 and 1B. But I love the curl pattern so much that I tried to make it work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating this look for you guys. I had fun sleeking my hair and finally seeing that my hair can lay. Remember to share, subscribe, and comment. Thumbs up if you like this look. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.